Welcome to the Sage CRM Sales Accreditation course. You're currently viewing Sage CRM Sales Accreditation Module 3, which is designed for marketing, sales, and implementation employees. This syllabus level is designed for candidates taking the Sage CRM Sales Accreditation at Level 1. Delegates will gain knowledge of the Sage CRM proposition, its applicability to functional roles within a typical business, and an ability to demonstrate the product to meet typical business needs. There are 4 modules at this level of accreditation. Module 1 is Understanding and Articulating the Sage CRM Proposition. Module 2 is Understanding and Profiling a Prospect. Module 3 is Understanding and the Usage of Sage CRM Collateral. And Module 4 is Demonstrating the Standard Sage CRM Features. For this third module, these are the topics we will be covering. Each topic contains information to build competence and confidence for people within these marketing, sales, and implementation roles. Once you have completed each topic, you will understand the role that customer relationship management concepts play within a business, how to knowledgeably speak about and demonstrate competence in the translation of CRM capabilities to any business, and how to successfully articulate the Sage CRM value proposition in marketing and sales functions. This is the topic we will be covering within this video and contains information specifically on understanding and putting to use Sage CRM Collateral. So let's make a start. Understanding and putting to use the Sage CRM Collateral. The Sage CRM community is our one-stop shop for material to support your business, be you a Sage operating company or a partner employee. Our aim is to give you as much material as possible to support your marketing, selling, and after-sales activities. You will see on screen as we're building this mix of sales, marketing, and other tools to help you build your website, marketing presentations, lead gen activities, and more. You can see a few samples including overview slides, guide to selling Sage CRM, return on investment and business case tools, demonstration scripts, and more. Some of the detail behind the screenshot of previous includes things like the standard Sage CRM overview presentation. Similarly, there's a guide to selling Sage CRM for business partners and salespeople to help you build your story and support your selling and marketing activities. We'll speak in further topics about the value of return on investment discussions and proof to help customers and potential customers build their internal business case in support of their investment in Sage CRM. Similarly, there is the Sage CRM demo script. At around 40 pages, we don't expect this to be used every day for every demonstration, but it is designed to build confidence and capability in the product using a scenario-based demonstration flow. We recommend that people spend time familiarizing themselves with the demo script, how it runs, as it will then familiarize you with most parts of the product in a narrative-driven format. We can see other useful information as well, including things such as product brochures, source files for creating local versions of your brochures, comparisons between editions. Similarly, there are source files for quite a lot of the brochures as well. The marketing and social team produce campaign activity material. And if you look under this area, you'll see things such as components, webinars, conference slides, and more. Designed for technical consumption, but you will find there's a suite of components available on the community that will help you customize demos, add additional function to demonstrations, or indeed live sites should you see fit in support of your own marketing and sales activities. So I hope you can see there's a good mix of material, of audiences for the material, and different formats. We also offer, through the community and online generally, help, so you're never more than a URL away from these extra sources of information on Sage CRM. On screen right now is an example of the general Sage CRM user help. So anybody, users, partners, Sage employees, can simply type in a URL easily accessible from the main website and get into a context-sensitive, easy-to-search user help file. Similarly, if you're in a role or any of your customers are in a role where they are administrators of a system, we have all the system administrator help online as well, never more than a URL away It makes it easier to consume material. It saves customers and yourselves as partners, employees, trying to fossick around and remember where you've stored that help file. And for those of you in the developer community, we also make the developer help available online too. And for those of you in an implementation role, we also provide a guideline which is called Sage CRM Implementation Help via the website, and it will provide information on successfully running through a scoping process, a design process, a build process, and more, designed to support people perhaps who don't have that or maybe want to build upon their own offer. By way of bringing a lot of this together, what we're trying to do through the community, through the material we provide to you, is make it easier to develop training, to do marketing, to drive cross-selling opportunity and enablement generally through all these types of source files, PowerPoints, help, and a whole lot more. So make yourself familiar with the community, sign yourself up, make sure you are registered correctly, but also not to forget that Sage CRM and the team in Dublin make information available through other sites as well. We provide material and create thought leadership and marketing activity on other social networks. So please be aware and use the material that you see surfaced on these sites as well as the community to facilitate your own marketing and selling activity. You've now reached the end of this topic within the module of sales accreditation. This topic was information specifically on understanding and putting to use the Sage CRM collateral. And you can now move on to further topics in order to complete the module.